Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ibrahim Qureshi. I am a student at Rehan School, Islamabad campus, RSCF 8. My topic is What Holds You Black, Zoya Nasir. Today I am going to share my thoughts on an inspiring talk titled Free What Holds You Black by Zoya Nasir. The talk teaches us that free is a natural feeling but is should never stop us from achieving our dreams. Zoya Nasir explains that free often comes from self birth and our thinking. She encourages us to believe in ourselves, step out of our comfort zone, and face challenge with courage. She also reminds us that failure is not the end, it is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. In simple words, when we overcome our fear and talk the first step, we discover our true content, conscious, and move closer to success. So let us remember, don't let fear hold you back. Believe in ourselves. Talk, action, and speak moving forward. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.